To me, impact is a very key component to the actual results that we're getting out. So everything aside from what the day-to-day may feel like or how my opinion could be about what I do, the impact is how we're actually producing results for the clients at the end. And ultimately, I think that being one of our foundational principles really keeps us focused on the idea that at the end of the day, the results matter, and that the focus and intention needs to be that we can provide something that is beneficial as an end product to the people that we're assisting.
And then you see that light bulb moment where you know what you just handed to them is going to make their life easier, and then they can turn around and make their community or their business or their team members' lives better. It's just a great feeling. So having that kind of direct impact on small businesses is incredibly rewarding.
To me, impact is when I see, after this whole process of designing a solution, figuring out, what problem do we even need to solve, and really getting down to the root of that problem. The impact comes when we deliver the solution and the client goes, oh my gosh, this thing that used to take me 25 minutes, I can now do in 3 clicks in 30 seconds.
Impact means results. It's the quantifiable. It's the checkbox. It's we have a problem, we've identified the solution, and we've executed on it. And I want to come alongside business leaders, and I want them to certainly be able to say, because of our relationship, my business is in a better place than it was before. That's impact.
Making an impact to me means that I'm able to contribute to someone else's goals in their life, whether it's their business goals or their personal goals. If I can build a solution that makes their day at work easier, to me that's creating an impact in their life. So my small contribution that makes their life easy, or let's say that makes them happy, is my contribution and my impact.
I get lost in helping the client and the impact that has, which in turn gives me fulfillment. So there's a little bit of selfishness there because I'm addicted to that fulfillment cycle, but it's just a really cool experience.